So, ang inspiration naman po nito is when the Santos went out that erupted many years ago, they say inside of this jar that people the treasures and other valuable artifacts. Before, ito yung nagiging storage so they can put their phones. Mga
Ganun.
important things na meron.
Ito, loob.
But this is just a replica.
Hindi, I mean, ganun yung tsura.
We have it outside next. So, mapapansin.
Oo.
And then yung nasa corner naman po, the inner core of the sunflower.
Sunflower ta?
Sunflower. So,
Sinong photographer?
Colleen Dance.
Colleen Dancel.
She captured the inner core of the sunflower, so a dedication to her mom, since her mom was into sunflower every Valentine's Day. So she calls it basking in my mother's love. But in the other side, from afar, makikita niyo po parang ganyan ng broken face.
Kaya siya ganun. Alam ko ano unang ano siya bagay niya.
Hindi ako talaga.